Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Roy living it up, and we out here with another video. We're about to review the Grand Buffet at Grand Sierra Resort, aka GSR, here in Reno, Nevada. Let's go check it out. We got some shrimp scampi.
And then the Asian
Alright, y'all, so we got our food. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is these oysters right here, boy.
Are you sure you want to do the oysters first?
It's an appetizer, ain't it? Oysters. Yo. That's what it's all about. So you gotta get your money's worth. So the buffet here at GSR this weekend was a seafood buffet. So they got the seafood, but I think they always have it because we've been here twice and it's pretty much the same food. The only thing that's different is last time they had king crab, this time they don't have the king crab. But everything else looks the same. I didn't see these big ass shrimp last time, but big ass shrimp is here. But yeah, let's try this. Start off with the oysters. Oysters is usually appetizer. I squeeze a little bit of lemon on it. Got it loose from the shell. Put a little bit of cocktails. Ooh, that's a lot of cocktail sauce. Can you see Captain the Tabasco, please? Must with every oyster, y'all, some Tabasco sauce. You know what I'm saying? Little dish dash. Alright. GSR, Grand Buffet oysters. It tastes clean.
Not fishy.
Not fishy or oceany or anything like that. Man, these oysters hit.
I wish I could have some.
I'm about to get some more.
No.
It's okay, I'm gonna eat some for both of us.
They look so good.
Yeah, alright.
You said they were good.
I'm trying to downplay it because I want to make sure that you don't feel bad. Oysters.
Okay. They're still not good?
They're alright.
Their chow mein and fried rice is actually really good.
See, they do that on purpose. They make the chow mein and fried rice good so you fill up on that. I'm not gonna fall.
I just asked for a little bit.
I'm not gonna fall for the trick, y'all. I'm gonna eat.
I didn't get no carbs. I got a little bit.
I tried to stay on that clean keto for the best way I can. Shout out to my boy D-Rock the Barber. I subscribe to him. Check him out. He's doing that keto diet. He always tries to make it clean. Pretty sure this is keto because there ain't no carbs. I'm not sure what oysters is.
No, we do have carbs.
Broccoli?
No.
But that's not processed carbs.
The breadsticks and the bread right
Oh, that's for you. Psych. Garlic bread. Garlic bread on here. There's hella butter in this buttered garlic bread.
They
Man,
don't skip the butter.
they don't skip on the butter. And I'm lightweight faded, so this is actually good. Little dollop, cocktail sauce, some Tabasco, oyster, y'all. Definitely getting my money's worth.
The lady was nice. Put us in the corner where she knew everyone was gonna be done.
Oh, the lady was super nice. So the lady in the front is super packed right now, super busy. I straight up told the lady in the front, like, hey, look, I'm trying to shoot a YouTube video. Can you put me somewhere in a booth to where I'm out of everyone's view? And she's like, I got you. And we were just straight up corner. So, you know, I have to throw them a little tip, but hey, it is what it is. Oyster number 6, y'all. Every oyster I had was good, not fishy or anything like that. Now,
I know they're big.
yeah. Next thing I'm gonna try,
The big ass shrimp.
but
Wait, can you
it's
say
not
that?
just shrimp. It's the shrimp scampi.
Oh, it is?
The same shrimp scampi you got.
What?
And she just tossed it on top. It was from the same station.
Wow.
It's from the same station. So when she dumped the broccoli on my plate, she dumped the shrimp scampi. She said, "Is that cool?" I said, "Hell yeah."
Creamy.
Man, that shrimp is super creamy. That sauce. This sauce reminds me of cha-cha-chas where you dip the bread in.
Not really.
Kinda really. But broccoli and cheese, oh man. This is definitely on point right here, y'all. Shrimp scampi. Sauce on the broccoli, y'all.
Look how fat this is.
Sauce on the garlic bread. Man. Big ass shrimp. These aren't even shrimp. I think these are prawns.
I didn't even see them.
It's like in that movie Bait. They don't steal shrimp, they steal prawns. Look at that. Sauce on the shrimp. Whoa. These shrimp, something else. Whoa. A little
Did it hit you?
splatter. Nah, it was me. I did it to myself. Whoa. This shrimp though, y'all.
Never seen big shrimp like that at a buffet.
So this buffet here at GSR is $49.99 a person. It's all worth it. The prime rib was so good, y'all, I had to get another slice. Sausage. New York steak. cooked perfectly. Medium rare, tender. I think after I eat this crab, I at least broke even. So I gotta eat something else to make my money's worth.
Dessert.
Dessert. Yo. Oh no, y'all. I'm getting full. Prime rib. This prime rib cooked perfectly.
How huge.
I don't know, y'all. I'm
Peer
really
pressure.
getting full. But this prime rib is good. I think this prime rib alone, plus the crab, will make it worth it. I'm done after this crab. Are you done?
Damn near.
Oh man, I'm fucking stuffed. So this is damn near a full Dungeness crab I got. The only thing I'm missing is the head. You see this? Oh, and the middle. I'm missing the head
Oh,
in the
the
middle.
middle is there.
They don't go together though. Oh man. About to kill this crab, y'all. Grand Buffet GSR crab. Let's go. Dipped in butter.
Dipped in sauce.
Dipped in butter.
I've lost.
Man, this is like a cherry on top. Crab, y'all. I mean, in the market, they must charge like, I don't know, 15 for Dungeness, 15 bucks a pound or something.
Yeah.
It's at least a pound. I'm definitely full, y'all. So if you're asking me, is it worth it? 50 bucks. All you can eat. Seafood, prime rib, steak.
I think so.
I think it really is. Oysters, jumbo prawns, desserts. Why not?
Oh, they
Man?
have a pasta bar too. But
Oh, they also have a pho bar.
oh yeah.
I didn't even get any pho. Oh man, they do have a pho bar.
Omelet bar too.
I just want to try the pho bar.
We saw it last time.
Yeah. So yeah, we're here for the crab feed where they had king crab. Oh man, look at that. I'm full, y'all, but I'm getting my money's worth.
Yeah, even though mine was well done, it was still tender.
So your prime rib? Yeah, because since she's pregnant, she can't really eat undercooked meats or anything like that. So after the dude cut up her prime rib, she asked him to make it well done. And he just threw it on the grill, cooked it for a couple,
Yeah, I was afraid
like a
that
minute
it
or
was
so,
gonna be, like, hard.
and it was perfect. That's it. I'm typing out, y'all. I'm so full. And they say it takes 10 minutes for your stomach to tell your brain that you're full. So if I feel this full, imagine in 10 minutes how full I'm gonna feel. I'm stuffed. Crab. Dipped in butter. Can't let this food go to waste, y'all. Oh, my butter spilled. Oh no. Oh. Oh man, this crab though. Cooked perfectly. But yeah, y'all. I'm super full. I'm like forcing myself at this point. I'm seriously hella full. To the point where last time we were here, I really wanted to go golfing.
It's gonna be a deja vu.
I think I'm ready to go to sleep after this, y'all. Man time, straight up.
Man.
Alright, I'll be back with some dessert. What's up, y'all? So I'm back. I had to do a little lap real quick just to walk off a little bit of food. I definitely didn't want any dessert, but after taking a look at what they had to offer, definitely couldn't say no. So what I got here is a scoop of spumoni ice cream and some salted caramel. And then for Mary, we got a scoop of coffee and a scoop of strawberry. And just cause I seen it and it looked good, some creme brulee, which is my all-time favorite dessert, and some bread pudding with a little bit of caramel sauce on top. So this is what we're about to try. Oh man, I'm so full, but just smelling this.
I know it smells good.
Oh man, this. All right. Let's whet our appetite real quick. Let's wet it with a little bit of this salted caramel ice cream. Let's go. Tastes okay. I don't know about that. It's kind of grainy. Like it's like dessert, or I mean not dessert, like diet ice cream. But it's okay though. Alright, let's try some of this spumoni. Spumoni's where it's at.
Wait, what is spumoni?
So spumoni is a gelato made with layers of different colors and flavors, usually containing candied fruits and nuts. The three flavors are fruit nut layer with ice cream, often with whipped cream. Basically, it's just ice cream, and they mix it with different flavors. Fruit and nut flavor.
My flavors, both of them are good.
Well, taste this one. This one tastes grainy. Now that's ice cream. That's the strawberry one I had. Now that's ice cream, bro. Taste this coffee.
There's chocolate chips in it.
I don't know what the hell I got. It's just like
So good.
gelato should be creamy. I must have got something from the low fat section, y'all. The spumoni is good though. I don't know about this.
Oh my god, he's picking me.
Royce?
Here.
As been to ice cream, there goes that fruit flavor right there. There's actually like a fruit with a little bit of nut. Fruit and nut. Get your mind out of the gutter, y'all. Get your mind out the gutter. Alright, now some real dessert. So this creme brulee doesn't have the blowtorch sugar topping like it usually has. But hey, it looks like it's gonna do. As you bite into these little crunchity, sweet, burnt pieces of sugar.
Oh, that's what they put on top of the pistachio.
That's actually a perfect bite right here. This is the winner, y'all. Bread pudding with caramel sauce. Well, it looks like we got two winners, y'all. This hits too. Alright, y'all, so that does it for us here at the Grand Buffet at Grand Sierra Resort, aka GSR Resort and Casino here in Reno, Nevada. I hope y'all like the food that y'all saw. We definitely like the food, especially dessert. But yeah, if you guys are ever out here, make sure you check this out. GSR by far is probably the best places in Reno that I like to visit. I mean, I go to Silver Legacy a lot too, but GSR is probably closer to a Vegas feel than the other resort and casinos. So yeah, that's our review of this buffet. If y'all like what y'all see here, don't forget to hit that like button. And also, if y'all haven't done so already, go ahead and hit subscribe. And if y'all subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Until next time, y'all, we're out. Peace. So yeah, that's our review of this buffet. Again, I hope you guys saw what you liked, or you liked what you saw, I should say. And until next time, y'all. Wait. Back up. Cut. If y'all like this shit. Cut.
If you like what you see here, don't forget to hit that.
Wait. 3, 2,